Greetings, Hornets. It's Bella Whitney, the Study Skills Tutor here at DSU, and we're back for week 3 of our video series. Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit about time management and how to create a weekly schedule. And so you can just, keep track of everything you have going on, because we do have a lot going on, and sometimes it can be hard to lose track of things and easily miss meetings. So that's what we're going to be going through today. A little recap of last week's video. We talked about some email etiquette. Some quick reminders about that is, have the proper greetings, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and then make sure when you're closing the email, warm regards, sincerely, talk to you soon, can't wait to hear back from you. Just, something nice to end your email with. And also remember, it is an email, not a text message. So we should be using professionalism in our emails. So this week's video, I'm going to be taking you step by step and showing you how to create a digital weekly schedule. If you don't really like doing things on the computer, since you're on a computer all day, you can definitely, sketch this out, write it out on a piece of paper as well. So this is what it's going to look like to begin with, because I don't want to overwhelm you, but this is actually mine that I created. I know you're probably like, whoa, that's a lot. So we'll go back to the original. Something quick you can do is, if you have your OneDrive on your computer or your iPad or your phone, you can easily save it so it can be accessible at any time. There we go. All right, so first we're going to start out with our dates and our times. Everyone's times might vary depending on what you have going on. I'm going to actually make these categories a little bigger. So you just take and drag these boxes. So up here, we'll have our dates. You can determine if you want to start on a Sunday or a Monday, but I'll just start on Monday. And then I'm going to insert my time. So my days usually wake up about 5:15, 5:30. So that's where I'm going to start mine. But some of you might not wake up until 8, and you might not go to bed until 12. So the times can vary based on, your individual needs. And the great thing about Excel is you can see I'm not like writing the times totally out, and it'll fix it for me. So that's amazing. Perfect. So this is when I wake up. I mean, if you really want to, you can say, wake up. Or if you know that's when you're going to wake up, you can do that. Something nice and simple. If all the columns are going to be the same, you click this and you just drag it like that. Then it automatically fills them all in. So you can either go day by day or you can go, by the times across. So I'm just going to put in the things I know I have each day. And then I am an athlete, so I have weights. And then I know my practices. It's crazy. All right, and then you can go ahead and like fill in your classes. Like I have chem, and then if you want to give yourself like a little reminder, you can do Blackboard. Maybe it's on Zoom, just so you know. And like, see, this is really not taking me that long. Super easy. This does look super complicated when I first show you, but I mean, as you can see, I'm going in and I'm just punching things in. So you can put your practice in here. I even sometimes put meal times just so, I'm going the same every day. Having a routine really makes things easy. Yeah. You can put meetings in there. And then I know these blank boxes is when I'm free. So if I'm trying to schedule an IDP meeting with my advisor, I can easily, have a screenshot of this, pull it up. Oh, I'm free at 11 a.m. Perfect. I'll schedule it then, kind of thing. So this video was a little shorter, but if you have any trouble with this, you can definitely schedule an appointment with me and I can walk you further in depth of it. Maybe you're a little confused on how to use it. I'm definitely available and eager to help. So just like I said, when you see this plus, that's when you drag it down. So next week's video, I'll go back to this so you can sort of see it. Next week's video, we'll be talking about time management again, but how to manage light workload weeks and heavy workload weeks, what those look like, and how to take advantage of down weeks that you may not have a lot, and then some weeks, seems like you have something due every day. So I'll take you through some couple of tips and strategies on how to approach that kind of thing. And like I said, if these videos aren't enough or you need some individualized help with something, I'm here. Schedule an appointment with me. Remember, you can go to your Blackboard or you could go through the website to schedule it. If you don't know how to do any of that, you can go to your Blackboard, Community tab, Academic Support. On this one, Study Skills Video Tips, here are all the videos that I've already done, and I've explained, a couple of different things that you can do. So definitely check those out, and I will see you later this week in our week 3 part 2 video.